Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. So primarily, like ice cream, kulfi is also made by ingredient like milk and sugar. The main difference is the texture, which also brings different in taste. So today I'm sharing very creamy, no churn, and instant kulfi falooda recipe for you guys. So let's go and make it happen. So for this is creamier, no churn, kulfi falooda recipe, no cooking involved whatsoever. You just can take a mixing bowl or you can make this recipe in a blender jug as well. I take a regular size mixing bowl and I'm roughly chopping bread slices with the crust on and adding them in a mixing bowl. Then take a can of evaporated milk and add in this mixing bowl. Here goes a can of condensed milk. Then I'll be adding some heavy whipping cream. And then in the end, I add a teaspoon of cardamom powder. And that's it. Just take a hand blender, put it in the mixing bowl and start blending slowly and then blend until everything is completely blended and smooth. So here's your kulfi mixture is ready. Just take a regular kulfi mold if you have some, or I'm using a little disposable shot glasses. And with the ladle, I filled up the glasses till top. And then for some of them, I used chopped pistachios and garnished them. I left some of them because I was serving it for the party. Then take a little piece of aluminum foil and cover each mold or a cup. If you want to make a kulfi stick, so just make a slit in the foil and then add a popsicle stick in there. Repeat the same process with the rest of the kulfi, and then I take a shallow dish and I transfer this in there and then put it in the freezer until they are completely frozen. Now regular kulfi is done, but if you are serving kulfi falooda like me, so we need a rubbery milk for that, and that involves a little bit of cooking. So just take a heavy bottom pan, add some whole milk, and then bring this to the stove and switch on the flame on medium to high and let it come to one boil. Then I'll be adding a can of condensed milk. Then stir and cover and simmer and let it cook on a very slow flame until it reduces to half and change its color, as you can see here. Just stir again, and then I'll be adding some cardamom powder and then mix again and switch off the flame, and you can keep this in the fridge until you're ready to serve your kulfi. Now when your kulfi is completely frozen, so just take out the cup and then find the joining edge and just strip off the cup like so. Now that's the advantage of using the cup. If you're using the kulfi mold, just let them sit on a counter or rinse them with a warm water. Now I store the kulfi in a Ziploc bag. For easy storage, you can store the kulfi out from the cup or as it is as well. Now when you're ready to serve the kulfi, just take the rubbery milk, which should be completely chilled, and then take out the kulfi from the cup. Arrange the kulfi on top of your rubbery milk. I drizzle some more milk on top of it, and then the kulfi falooda needs sevaya. You can make your own sevaya at home. I don't have that mold, so I use these colored vermicelli, which are easily available at any store. Then I drizzle some rose syrup or jamishidi or ruafza, then garnish with some chopped pistachios, and your kulfi falooda is ready to serve. Rich creamy kulfi topped with falooda and rose syrup is a dessert which find a place at every buffet counter, where this one is quick to make, instant kulfi recipe, and no cooking is required. Ideal for hot summer months, where kulfi falooda is so very delicious that you can enjoy it throughout the year. I made this other day for a party and I got a lot of compliments and everybody loved it. If you are trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture, and if you want to learn something else, please let me know. I will try my best to make it happen. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.